Let's find out what 10% of 380 is. First, we going to rewrite 10% as 10 over 100. Because percent is hundreds, right? So 10% is 10 hundredths. And then multiplication. Why? Because 10% of 380. Of is always going to be multiplication. Okay, so 10% of 380 is 10 hundredths of this number, 380. And since we're working here with fractions, we're going to write 380 as a fraction. And 380 is 380 over 1. It's the same thing. When we have only multiplication here, 10 times 380, 100 times 1, we can just cross out zeros. So a 0 up here, then we have to cross out the 0 down here. We have a 0 up here, and we're going to cross out the 0 down here. We're left with 1 times 38. And down here is 1 times 1, which is 1. To take anything times 1 doesn't change anything, so it's just going to be 38 over 1, or just 38, which is the answer. This was pretty easy. Let's do another one. 40% of the number 680. We're gonna write 40% as the fraction 40 hundredths, or 40 over 100. Times of is times multiplication. 680 over 1. We're going to write 680 as a fraction. Now let's do the same thing. We cross out 0 here, 0 here, 0 down here. We have to cross out the 0 up here. No more zeros. We can't simplify anymore. So up here is going to be 4 times 68. And down here is going to be 1 times 1. 1 times 1 is going to be 1, so we just have to write the result of this. So 4 times 68 is 272 over 1, but we don't write it out. We just write 272. So this is going to be the answer. 40%, almost half of this 680 is 272, and it feels pretty reasonable. Okay,